it's so important that the government encourages the community, the medical community, and the smoking cessation programs to get on board and encourage people to switch to these products and fast. And that's what we've experienced here. So in New Zealand, all of the government-funded smoking cessation programs, the Quit Line, which is a national free cessation service, and local cessation services, they've all been given the encouragement, if not told, to encourage people and help them to switch to these products. So having good cessation support available, and having that cessation support incorporating advice on how to switch to these risk-reduced alternative products is important.